In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I got this particular background behind me and how you can be using the same for all your videos. So yeah, please do well to watch this video to the very end. Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can get very realistic backgrounds, especially when you want to go into content creating and you don't have very nice backgrounds you can use. This is going to help you in your content creating journey, and guess what, you can get as many as you want and as many as you want to use in your videos. So there are two apps you're going to be using for you. This, I use pixel.com, and we're going to be creating everything in CapCut. So if you don't have CapCut, please do well to download CapCut. So on Google, we're going to type Pixel. So yes, Pixels videos. You can get stock videos here, and you can get pictures you can use for your frame. So this is where I get sometimes some of the YouTube videos you see. You can get stock videos from here, and you can get free pictures. Now, depending on the kind of background you want to achieve. So in your stock photos, we go to, let's say, living room picture or something, or let's just enter living room. Let's see what comes out. So for the living room, like, we're gonna pick something that fits the frame size of the particular platform you're working on. For example, you can see the 16:9, which is the YouTube frame size, and you also see the ones you can use for Facebook. So because we are doing a YouTube video, it's very good you pick the one. So look at this right now. I think this is fine. So if you want to use something like this, we just download the video immediately. So you can see the video is downloading, and you can decide to pick more. Sometimes I just stock up these things for anything. You can decide to pick. There are so many you can pick from here, and you can use them subsequently. This is another very fine video. So photo. We can download this one too. Whichever one you want to use, you just download. So let's see the one I'm going to use for my own video. Let's see, can we use this? So yeah, I think this is fine. So let's use this, like the background you saw at the beginning of my video. Let's use that. So the next thing you're going to do is you download them. Remember, you have them in your downloads here. You have to save them to your camera roll. So how to save it to camera roll is to save image. You go to the next, save image. You go to the next, save image. So I've saved the 3 images. So the next thing I'll do right now is to go to CapCut. So enter my CapCut, I'm going to click new project. So once I click new project, I go to my photos. So I'm using this. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. I'll drag it to the length of the video I'm going to be working on. First thing I do is remove this out. So I'll just drag it for, like, let's say 2 minutes. I have a 2-minute video already here on this phone. So whichever video you want to work with, you can do that. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on overlay. So on this overlay is like where you can add in more videos and do whatever thing to your, you can add more videos and photos. So once I have this on my screen, you can see that I made it really long. Then I'm going to bring in my next video, which is overlay. Like, I use the overlay to bring in my video. So here I go to my videos. I already have like a 15 seconds video here. I can actually use this, but so okay, this is not good enough. Like, I have to put a video where I am sitting down proper. Like, I did a proper, what's it called, I did a proper content for YouTube, and I just bring this in. I can decide to make it bigger. Like, look at this. Then first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my background. Let's see if this is okay. Yes, this is fine for the length of the video, but I can also edit out the part I wasn't talking. Like, let me quickly edit this part out. I wasn't talking here, and I bring my video to the front. Yeah, So now I'll click on the video. Always remember to click on the particular thing you want to work on. Once you do that, you remove background. So auto removing background, it's taking some time, but so once background has been removed, you can see that right here. Now the background has been removed. Look at that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. So in this video I'm going to be talking about Facebook. So you can see how easy this was. So you can also get this done on InShot, and look at that. You can see you can expound your work, you can click on it, you can change anything, you can write, you can, you can see how this went. Then the next thing you do, if you're done editing everything, you just export. You do well to just export your video. You can see how simple this was. So guys, you can see how easy it was to get this done. It is as simple as you saw me do it. So I'm gonna advise you to try and practice what you saw me do. Constantly do it, because one thing with editing is if you do not practice, you might likely forget everything you have been taught. So another thing you can actually do right now is to download this video. Download it so that anytime you want to start practicing, or you want to actually start creating content, or yes, probably you're not ready to start creating content, you want to get start creating content maybe much later, you need to download some of the videos I have on my YouTube channel, so that once you are ready to start, you can actually go ahead and start. Yes, so now I have other resources, other videos on this particular channel that is going to help you in your content creating journey. So I'm going to advise to just click on my channel, watch everything, watch all: how to start up a YouTube channel, monetization, how to go about getting your 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, and other kind of videos you want to learn about. You can actually drop questions for me in the comment section. I'm always available to answer you. So what are you waiting for? Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.